What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Rolling Garage. And here we have all the parts, or well, most of the parts to complete Louis' motor. We have new head bolts. We have let's take two sets because that's what I was advised to do. We have the rings. We have the bearings, NDC. We have new oil filter. We have new cam belt, timing belt. We have the oil, and we have some antifreeze. Basically completing the motor, but it's probably going to be shown to you guys in two parts. Episode 9, episode 10. Yeah guys, so what I need to do now is I need to remove the sump from Louis. Then I can take out the pistons because the block is still in the car. I'm going to do this all while the block is still in the car. And then I need to, I'm going to do all the bottom end in part 1 and all the head work and stuff part 2. Because I still need to clean everything and get them painted, clean the throttle bodies, get them painted. So yeah, I'm gonna take my time with this, but if you head over to the car, you'll see more about what I'm talking about here. So yeah guys, this is the engine block. I'm just quickly making a plan to get a honing tool or a honing tool, whatever you call it, so that I can do that on the sleeves, on the cylinders, so that it's perfect for when I put back the pistons with the new rings and the new bearing. Yeah, everything I'm doing I watched on YouTube, and I'm gonna do it that way. As you guys saw in the beginning of this video, I have all the parts for this build, so I just need to basically remove the sump. And then I'm gonna get the connecting rods at the bottom or something like that. Remove those bolts, and then but I'll show you guys as I go along on how I'm gonna take the piston out of this block, and then obviously clean it, put it back. So yeah, I'll see you guys under the car. So before we get into today's video, I just want to say a big shout out to AHK Motorspace. They hooked us up with all of the stuff. I basically ordered everything yesterday, which is Friday. Today is Saturday, and tomorrow you guys will be seeing the video. So I ordered everything yesterday. They got it ready, picked it up, and then we now have everything that we can continue with the episode for this week and for next week. So major shout out to them, AHK Motorspace, Ikram. I'll put all his contact details in the description below, and you guys can contact him if you need anything regarding car space, motor space. Yeah, excellent service, and they hooked us up with a small discount, so thanks for that. But yeah, let's get on with today's video. Yo guys, HK pulled through for us again. They got the owner tool, whatever tool. We're gonna be jumping the Golf. We're going to be heading over to AHK. We're going to get the tool. We're going to come back, then we'll start with everything. Okay guys, we just got you to AHK Motorspace. As you can see, we're here. So let's go in and get this tool. How's it, bro? Sharp.
This how far you know?
Hey, Shams, only starting today, bro. But I'm gonna take my time. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm just gonna drop the sump and do it while the block is in the car.
Okay.
So I just need to How do you pronounce it? Honing or Honing? Honing.
Didn't think they do.
I did. It is off. I'll send you the updated links. But I'm gonna put now HK also in the video this week. I'll put your contact details in. I'll put your contact details in.
No problem.
Yeah.
You can just let me know for you.
Yeah. I'll send you the links.
I'm so busy with mine. I got the shaft yesterday back.
No.
Maar ik voet, de shaft dingen goes. Broke the shaft twice already.
Yeah.
So got it yesterday. Started it up. So hopefully today we can go clean.
Okay, I'll wait. Lekker.
It should be nice.
Yeah.
Let's not see.
I'm gonna try and get mine running by next week. So I'm gonna put everything in and then put the head in and all of it and then start up by next week. Yeah.
No rush to it.
Yeah. And then after that I'll probably. Yeah, that's the thing.
Maar het is voor de bachelor.
Okay, shot. Thanks, bro.
Welcome.
Okay, the GoPro is up and running. Let's try to get it up. Sorted here. Okay, guys, it's recording.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, guys, so it's almost half the day is gone and I'm still struggling to take off the sump. So now I'm gonna do what I do best, and I'm gonna say here how to remove a stuck sump. Oh, we must knock it with a hammer. Okay. And a chisel. Oh. Okay. So let me just show them here. What's the story? You can see her under. I've been trying that. Scoochie boy is here. Go that side, boy. So all the bolts are out now. Took me some time because there's a bolt hidden under there and I didn't want to take out this frame, so I used that and then I took it out. Now it's just the sump is stuck. So it's currently, what's the time now? It's currently 10 to 2. 10 to 2. If you don't want to speak, can I show you in the video? You don't want to speak. 10 to 2. And we still have to take out everything. We never even take out anything. But I have to take out all of this just to remove the sump. This. But so yeah. I'm going to keep pushing. Try and get this out today. Clean them. Put the rings and put them back within today or tomorrow. So yeah, let's get this done. I just also want to clean the block with some petrol, get all this old stuff out. So yeah, I'm gonna do all of that.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, finally got off the sump, and yeah, this is underneath. So now what I need to do is I need to just turn this with my hand. So I'm going to be loosening these bolts here, taking off the piston from the top on all 4 of them, but I just need to mark them to make sure I take out the right ones. So see, they are marked here, 3. Let's see this one. It says on here. Can't really make out. Yeah, nothing. Okay, so I'll just have to mark them so that I put them in the right places back. That one's gonna be a mission. Damn. This one here in the corner, it's gonna be a bit difficult. This one in the corner. Yeah, we're gonna have to see. Maybe we're gonna have to remove this because we don't have a choice. So I'm probably gonna have to remove this. But now the mounts are on there, so I just need to check. Anyways, let's get to it. No giving up here, bro. It took us a whole day just to take out the sump, but it's fine. We will make it. Yeah. Bear with me, guys. First time doing all these things. But yeah, we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. It's the first time I'm doing this. Okay, guys. We finally got everything out. Now I need to clean this. Yeah, clean the block, clean the pistons, and then yeah, here's the sump. There's the sump. We finally got it out. I'm gonna clear up now. The sun is setting. It took me the whole day just to take out this. I was hoping to get it out and clean today, but couldn't get that done. So yeah, we thus far now in the build, we finally got this out. Everything I marked all the pistons from 4, 3, 2, 1, and yeah. So now it's just about. So now I just need to clean them, clean everything, get all of that sorted, and then I can put on the new rings, the new bearings. Clean this, put it back, and then put it back in. Oh yeah, and I need to home the cylinders. So yeah, got a lot of work ahead of us, a lot of work still to go. I'm gonna carry on tomorrow, and yeah, we still got a lot of work ahead of us. So I'm gonna split this into 2 videos. Yeah.